On a rainy, wet winter day, Matt starts to put up his steel frame.
Hold on. Try that now.
In a muddy swamp.
This is not ideal. I mean, the guys are doing really well. It's very wet, it's slippery. We had a lot of rain. We're expecting rain this afternoon, so we do the best as we can.
The greatest concern is making sure the steel frame is level, which it isn't. So, in appalling wet conditions, Matt and his team pack under the columns, unable to see what they're doing.
A bit more this way, Chris, yeah? Just take that one up a bit, Phil.
It's quite an ordeal.
Bang on, mate.